How to add Steam friends on Xbox. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to add Steam friends on Xbox and if it's possible. Adding Steam friends directly on Xbox is not natively possible because Steam and Xbox are two separate platforms with different ecosystems. However, cross-platform functionality in some games allows you to play with Steam friends on Xbox and sometimes even add them in-game, using custom friends system. Here's a breakdown. When it's possible, you can play with and add Steam friends on Xbox if 1. The game supports cross-platform play. Examples: Fortnite, Call of Duty, Minecraft, Rocket League, and Apex Legends. 2. The game has its own friend system. These games use publisher accounts instead of Xbox or Steam directly. You will need to link your Xbox account to a publisher-specific account like Epic Games, Activision, EA account. Then, add your Steam friends to those external accounts. For example, in Fortnite, you can add your friend via their Epic username. In Call of Duty, you use the Activision ID. In Minecraft, you can use the Microsoft gamer tag. And when it's not possible, if the game doesn't support cross-platform multiplayer or only uses Xbox Live or Steam friends natively, like many single players or other titles. Alternative solutions. Ask your Steam friends to create an account on the game's cross-platform service and link it to their Steam account. Use the game's invite system to send or accept friends' requests. Use voice chat apps like Discord to coordinate matches if in-game adding is not an option. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to add Steam friends on Xbox. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.